flick me.
Now to Asian Taste Asian Food Store. This is where we go to get most of our cooking supplies for cooking amazing Thai food. Batty thinks this is actually one of the best Asian stores in Appleton. Hey babe, it helps if you pull that instead of push it. All right, push it, I guess. There you go, isn't that easier? If your mean brother doesn't put his foot in front of it. What are you looking at, brother? Hey, Brian. You want some of these yummy sausages? Alright, we've got a big haul. Get some good food that Mama can cook when we get home. Fish snacks. Juice. Got some Thai tea mix. Whoop, whoop, whatever.
How we do it. You know, just bang, bang, bang. Okay, because you can get hurt.
Oh, and I fall in. That's not good.
This is going to be very, very spicy. Come on.
Well, that's what you eat. But
So what is this?
Curry. Just Thai curry.
I'm putting oil.
Is it a Thai? What kind of curry? What's in there?
Oh, I want the herb, like the local herb.
Can I go now? The oil's turning yellow.
I know, look at that, right? So what was the oil you put in there?
Coconut oil.
So coconut oil, and then you've got some Thai herbs and spices and
Yes, so it makes
and
it oil.
garlic and all that kind of stuff in there that make the curry.
But gold yellow oil.
And where did you get that curry from?
The south of Thailand.
South of Thailand?
No, not that brush.
I don't know. Take that brush out of there. Get it away from there right now. I don't trust you.
What, I'm not gonna do?
I don't trust you.
Still?
Yeah, still. I definitely do not trust you.
What about the bone arrow? You trust against the bone arrow?
I don't trust you next to Mommy's food.
I was spelling my name.
How do you spell your name? What do we put in there now?
Pork.
Just pork, just sliced pork?
I thought I spelled my name
Do I trust you with a bow and arrow? I trust you more with a bow and arrow than I trust you with a paintbrush around what mommy's cooking.
And some of the food that
So we're actually cooking here out in the garage because this gets so spicy that we don't want to cook it in our Wisconsin home and actually have grandma.
turn that off.
Yeah, she doesn't like that. So we escape out here to the garage in order to cook the spicy food. Bella, get mommy that small bowl.
With a small cup.
Bella, over here. Whoop, this one right here. This one right here. Get that from mommy.
Can I spoon it?
You're gonna put it in the. Not yet, not yet.
Do the salt first.
So what'd you just put in there? You put in some salt and what?
And coconut sugar.
And coconut sugar. You see these little balls here? This right here. This is the coconut sugar.
Which I eat because it's yummy.
It is. It is yummy. Man, that curry is just woo. Breathe that in. It's awesome. You got so many spices, and it's got.
Healthy food?
It is so healthy, yeah, because it's got like all these herbs and spices from the southern part of Thailand, and it's got it in there, and it just makes it so healthy.
Could you please do
Yeah. No, they can see you. You're on there.
Spice is healthiness. You grow. Candy is not good. So candy can make you grow, but you'll soon get fat.
Yeah, see, candy makes you grow like this. This is candy growth. But if you eat the right kind of food, then you grow this way. Whoop, and you grow beautiful, yeah.
And mommy.
And mommy, yeah.
Ryan's a little bit fat, but Will's even fatter. He's the most fattest kid in my class.
So, well, it's not fun. It's not polite to talk like that, Bella. But so yeah, so we're cooking this here. We got the pork and the curry and the cane sugar and the salt. And now mommy's gonna be putting just a little bit of water in there.
Man, that's a hot curry.
Doesn't that smell good?
Nope.
No.
Spicy.
A little spicy for you, huh? I love that. It's like catches you right in the lungs.
Yeah. Sure, spicy is big one out.
Don't do that.
Don't jump over that, Bella. You do that again, you're gonna get a cracking.
Spice. Plug it out.
What's up, Mr. B. Ryan?
I'm gonna squeeze the banana. Go get my book. Sorry, can I squeeze the banana?
So here we've got this good cooking going on here. Let this cook for a little bit, and so we've got all these spices cooking out of there. Got a little bit of that water put in there. All these spices are cooking in with that pork. All those, everything's kind of mixing in real good. And then this is my grandpa's workbench. Actually, my grandfather built this when he used to live here with us, and so we have that built for him, or he built it himself actually. It was just something that you could kind of do and muck about with. Make sure none of this is sticking. And here we're putting in sweetened condensed milk, or evaporated milk, sorry, evaporated milk here. Thank you, Mama. And now Mama's putting in the eggplant. This is Japanese eggplant.
You need to soak in the salt water first to make sure this does not turn dark or brown.
Mama, spin that. This is what we call cooking medicine, with these awesome herbs and the eggplant and the pork and everything inside here. This is good medicine. This will make sure that this will cure what ails you during the day, that's for sure.
We let it cook a little bit, and then before we turn everything off, we're gonna add Thai basil.
We actually grow this Thai basil ourselves. We have one of those organic UV light growth beds downstairs. And so, because if we grow this outside, you know, obviously during the winter we can't grow this. So this will be the basil that we add right by the time we're done cooking, right at the end.
Now I need
Mom.
all done.
All done. Nothing left to do but to do it. I'll eat this up, burn our face off, and then burn our... We've already burned our our lungs breathing it. Now we're just going to burn our mouth eating it.
This is very good to cure the flu.
This is our COVID cure right here. You were sick at all? This is what you want to eat right here. You can hear me coughing away, stuff like that. That's just because all the herbs and everything that's in that curry that we saw, that's cooking and releases into the air. And as I'm breathing it in, it's amazing. I love the taste of it, like even when I'm breathing it in. But it is a little bit of an irritant. It will hit your lungs just a little bit. So there's, man, I have to look exactly what's in there again. But it's a bunch of it's a whole slew of just Thai herbs, spices, garlic, chili, all that kind of stuff that goes in there. And it is some super amazing stuff. Hey, Bella. You ready to eat some of this curry? No. Bella, stop kicking around the propane tanks, please.
I wish I were a mess.
All right, I think Mommy's going to want me to bring this in a second. Let me ask her real quick. What are you and your brother doing?
Shooting boners, but
Shooting the bone
I keep
arrow?
on slipping
Oh, yeah?
because of the weather.
Ah. Well, you're not wearing the right boots either. Batty, when she makes all this, she calls it Pad Ped, or just fried spice, right? And so what Batty will do is she's going to take a base of rice, and then she puts this curry in one of these little containers like this, and then she freezes it, right? So we have all these set up. She'll set up like 5, 10 or so of these, and then she's gonna go ahead and put them in the freezer. And she'll have, so you got 1, 2, 3, 4. She'll have them saved in the freezer, and when she's hungry, she just goes ahead and brings one of those in and cooks it up real quick, and then bam, she's got something good to eat. But it's yeah, so we call it Pad Ped, which is basically just cooked. We got pad, fried, ped, spice, right? So fried spice, but it's a curry. It has, so I know that there's garlic in there for sure, and there's some green chili in there, and then she has different spices. I have to get a full list of all those spices, but we get it sent to us. That curry, actually, we get sent to us from the south of Thailand, and it has, like I said, it's got the chilies and the herbs and the spices and everything there from the south of Thailand, and it is, man, that stuff is good. Like, I love just heating it up real quick, and then if you've got any kind of just like illness, you're just not feeling good or something like that, and you get that and you eat that food, man, you sweat it out, but then you feel amazing. Like just shortly thereafter, your whole body just works everything out of you and gets it out. So that's our Pad Ped little cook it in our back garage, you know, so we don't get in here. We have our kitchen here, but we can't really cook that here, because if we do, it just really gets a spice throughout the whole house and makes it so that the kids and mom, grandma and everyone just can't survive that way. So we get it cooked up that way out in the back garage, and then we have something for us to eat for the whole week. If you like this video and you really want to see more of the family, of us going grocery shopping, taking a look maybe at some restaurants or things like that, more of Baddie cooking, just let me know. Make some comments. Let me know. I can definitely make more videos of Baddie cooking in our back garage. We can, you know, just if you got any special items you want to see made. Baddie's a really good chef, actually. She makes Kanom Jeeb. She makes, oh man, so many different things. She makes like basil, pad kapow. She'll make you know, the pad thai with the omelet pad thai. She does amazing sticky rice, mango and sticky rice. We've had a lot of people actually ask her to make them the mango and sticky rice, but we have also put packages together where we'll send the sticky rice and even the mangoes to somebody in a short video, so they know how to make it and put everything together. Baddie has taught some Thai cooking classes where people have come in and actually had some Thai cooking classes. So we could put a lot of that together on videos and put it off. But if you like it, go ahead and click like and subscribe, and just let us know that you're interested, and we'll put some more videos together. And just leave some comments below, and make sure you subscribe and like, and just let us know that you love what we're doing, and we'll keep doing it. Thanks. Have a good day.
Make sure you subscribe, and you can see all of our videos on, I don't know, YouTube.